Good evening. My name's Leo Bennett Koshon. My daughter attends Luther Burbank High School. We have some momentum here, so I want to give this bush, hopefully it'll grow bigger because we're starting to rescind. First, a few facts. This is based upon the importance of improving academic performance and providing support services. That's true of everybody that's been laid off, as you've heard from many people today. As we've tried to point out, many different people, there's still scrubbing left in the budget. So there are expenses that can be looked at to bring people back. As staff has pointed out, you're receiving money from many different sources. Again, that should be looked at. As you've pointed out, you're not getting the whole puzzle. Time is short, you're destroying morale still. I really think you need to ask staff to give you the whole puzzle. Your music is a wonderful example. There's none to bring back. You've brought them all back, all 16. So the music. This is our sunshine, our only sunshine. So please don't take our sunshine away. These are our nurses, 7 nurses. Please don't take our 7 nurses away. These are our counselors, 2 counselors. Please don't take our counselors away. These are our librarians, 5 librarians. Please don't take our librarians away. These are our psychologists, 4 psychologists. Please don't take our psychologists away. And these are our social workers, 3 social workers. Please don't take our social workers away. And I'll sing next time if you guys don't fix this.
No thanks, Leo. Thank you.